Alright guys, here I am in Kraken Time, and I'm on Krell Canyon, and alright, I have a couple glitches here that I don't mind doing. First one, I don't remember the name of the guy that found this, watched the video on it like forever ago, and yeah, alright, so get up here, It's just kind of difficult to make. Alright, Alright, get you up here, you go. Crap. This will take me a second. Crap. Alright. Get up here. Like this. Alright. Should make it. Oh no, it's not gonna make it. It's not gonna make it. No. Oh crap. Alright, hold on. Find it again. Okay. It's over here. Alright. It's back here. Alright. Alright. So I jump up here. Go like this. Go. Alright. Jump here, just up here. Try it again. Please work, please work, please work. Yes. Alright. Once you're up here, you go carefully along here. Oh, alright. And then to here, then watch how glitchy this gets. There's actually a way to get through this wall. See how it goes like that? And you actually get under the level. I just kind of forget how I did that. But yeah. So, yep, that's the first glitch. Okay. So, and again, there was a lot of other stuff I was going to do, but on Kraken Time, just didn't look to do it. Alright, you can go off here like this, and you kind of go into here. And you go under the level. That's cool. And you're going, yep, see that? You're under the level. And you keep falling, falling, till you die. Yep. Alright. So, that's that glitch. Yep. Not a whole lot of stuff I'll be doing on Kraken Time, but as I said, I want to showcase all the games, so this is one of the things I was going to do for this game, so And there's a couple of things. Go. Oh. Alright. Oh. Alright. Another thing is up here. Oh. Die. Alright. You can actually go over here. I saw this on a video, and you can actually go over here, and what he did was he floated down, I think, to here. Not on there, but no, it didn't work. Oh, okay. Alright, hold on. What happened was he floated down there and he landed on the very bottom. And normally not supposed to. I'm not going to try it a bunch of times because last time I got really frustrated with it. But I think the guy's name was Zaza Future, something like that. I'll have to look it up. But he's the one that did both of those glitches right there. So, but yeah, I showed where you're supposed to go do it, but it just didn't work for me and on the second one. So, alright, so yeah, if you notice, I'm back on my PS3. And I got this one working again. So it's going to focus on PS2 walkthroughs for the time being, and then I'll get back into my PS2 or PS3 walkthroughs. So yeah. Alright, some guy requested that I do my personal opinion on cracking time in my glitch videos, so yeah. My personal opinion on this game is that it's awesome. I especially like the hover boots. Yeah, who doesn't like that? Alright, so I definitely like this game. And I mean, you notice there's a lot of weapons from Tools of Destruction in here. Kind of helps having the hover boots because it kind of replaces Clank for the time being. Usually you have Clank on your back and you can go like this. But on Quest for Booty you couldn't. So this kind of helps with getting around faster, and you know, much more than Quest for Booty did. So yeah, that's my opinion on the game. Okay, I only have one more thing to do for this game, and I'm going to get back to the walkthrough. Kind of want to do this a little fast, but so I'm going to die just for the heck of it. Don't know why. So I like going around the hover boots. It's probably my favorite part of this game. It's just going around the hover boots. It's fun. You move around a lot faster than you can. Quest for Booty. And Quest for Booty. Oh crap. Quest for Booty was a little weird for me. I think that it's a little bit of a change because usually you have Clank, and taking him out of the game just made it feel different for me. I mean, having the whole game without Clank was just a little, you know, weird as far as gameplay. The story was pretty epic. I mean, you know, with the pirates and all that, but yeah. So I only do one more video and I have one more thing to show you real fast. So yeah. All right. See ya.